Alright, welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's tutorial we are going to look at how to use Chatgpt API to automate content creation. Yeah, this software is making things easy and everybody has to take advantage of this. I usually use Chatgpt to create my contents for my blog and my YouTube channel, and also for my Facebook. In this tutorial I'll show you how to simply make use of that. So I've created a table in my Google Sheet. We have the topic and we have a blog, we have YouTube script, TikTok short script, and then Instagram post. What we're going to do is we will bring Chatgpt into our Google Sheet, and then it is going to generate these contents for us. Okay, and that is what we are going to be using on our blogs, in our videos, and our short videos as well. This is quite simple. Let's see how this works. So first, open a new window and go to OpenAI. openai.com/API. Okay, that's going to take you here, and then click get started. If you already have an account, you just log in. If not, you create a new account. So I'll continue with Google here. Now it takes you here, then you see your profile at the right top corner. See personal here, click on that, and I'll see view API keys. Yes, if I have created some keys, I'll see all my API keys here. If you haven't created one, you can always create one. Just click create new key here, and you'll be allowed to create a new key. Okay, and then you copy that key, and then paste it somewhere. You can paste that in your notepad. So I'm pasting this in my notepad, and then we'll copy and use it later. It's copied already, so we'll use this later. So now let's go to our spreadsheet, and then in our spreadsheet we are going to add the Chatgpt as an extension. So that's what is going to automate all that we need to do. So go to extensions, add-ons, get add-ons. It is loading. After loading, we search for Chatgpt. So you look for Chatgpt for sheets and docs. Yes, here is it, and then click on that and click on install. Okay, I have already installed this. So yeah, if you use Google Sheet, you know how we add add-ons into it, and that is how it's done. Also very simple. Just click on install and you have it installed in it. Now after installing it, go to extensions, and then you have your add-ins or your add-on here, which is the GPT for sheets and docs. Now we have to set an API before this can work. So we click on set API key, and here the API key that we copied earlier, you paste it here and check if it is valid, and when it's valid then you save it. I have already added one API key, okay, which is working perfectly in here, so I don't have to add another one. Yeah, so just paste and check. It will tell you that this is valid, and then you save. Then we continue. Bam. Now this is where the magic is. So let's say you have a blog post, or you create blogs about traveling. You make videos on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube about traveling. You can use this software in conjunction with Google Sheet to automate how you create your contents. This is going to make it very seamless and simple for you as ever before. So this is what we are going to do. So let me, what should I write about? Okay, I blog about traveling. So let's say we are writing about travel. Okay, so yeah, so what we're going to do is we'll put a topic here, and then Chatgpt is going to generate a blog content for us that we can post directly onto our website. Also, we'll command it to write a YouTube script for us, and also a TikTok short script, which we can also use as a YouTube short, and then an Instagram post. So let's see how we're going to do this. So now that our add-on is added here, we are, so all you have to do is just to go to GPT for Sheets and Docs and click on enable GPT functions. So let's click on that. Bam. Yes, it is working. Now it is working. So let's give our first command and see what's going to happen. So we start with our blog post. So just as we write formulas in Google Sheets, equals to GPT, okay, bracket open, and then we write our command in there. Let's see. Okay, yeah, let's have the formula here, explain and direct. So the prompt is what we are going to tell ChatGPT to do. So double quotes, then whatever command you want to give it to do. So write, let me say, let's keep this snappy. So write 400 informative blog post about about what? So about, then double quotes, and that, and then the next option is the value. What are we writing about? And that is in A2, that is the topic in A2. Okay, so when we put the topic in there, then ChatGPT automatically writes the blog post for us. So we click on A2, then comma, and the next is the temperature. The temperature either is optional, go from 1 or 0. Okay, but for us to have varied and unique blog post, we'll write 1 there. You can leave the others. Okay, and then the next is the maximum tokens. Let's go for 4,000 tokens. Let's write 4,000 there. It's optional also, as we all know. When an option in a formula is in square bracket, that means that it is optional. You can decide to use it or not. Okay, so once you write that, let's close the bracket and press enter. Now it is loading. Okay, it is loading. Why? Because we have not inputted any topic in here for it to write. So it is now loading. So whenever we put the topic here, the blog post will automatically be generated for us, and then we will just go ahead and copy and paste that. Okay, so let's see what is going to happen here. Now, because we didn't put anything here, but it was A, so it just went ahead to generate something of its own. But that is not a problem. When you put a topic in here, everything is going to change as we want. Okay, so let's finish here and then we'll move to the next stage. So here also we want a short video script for YouTube, so equals to GPT. So the prompt is going to be alright, 5 to 10 minutes. YouTube video script about, then comma, about what, that is about A2. Okay, we'll keep the temperature at 1 and the maximum token at 4,000. Okay, in bracket close that also, and then we'll do the same thing for the short video also. Alright, so now that we have written all our commands, okay, all our formulas are in place, let's generate some. You can generate as many topics that you want and it will be filled automatically for you, as we always do. Okay, how do we find these topics? If you have some in your, if you already have the topics, you have done your keyword search and you have some topics you want to write on, just put that in here. But let's assume you have no topics in mind, so you use Chatgpt to help us write that. So we open Chatgpt, new chat, topics on traveling to convince people to travel to Paris. Okay, topics. So write 5 topics on Paris. Yeah, okay, on Paris. So yeah, so write 5 travel topics on Paris to convince people to travel to Paris. Yeah, okay, write 5 travel topics on Paris to convince people to visit Paris. So let's enter, let's see. Good, I think this is okay, we'll go with this. Great. Good. So just copy this and paste it in your notepad. We don't want to paste everything directly in our spreadsheet. So here we have this. Okay, let's delete the extra explanation on each topic. We just need the short topics. Okay, so we copy this. So after copying our topic, we just come to our Google Sheet and paste it here. Let's see if these things are pasted. So yeah, so the first one takes art and culture, and let's see what is happening. So now it is going to, everything is going to populate itself. Now the short video has come already. Yeah, it's talking about the museums and a whole lot. You see, good. So here we have it. This is very simple. This is very simple. Okay, so the first one, which is art and culture, a blog post has been created for us, and then we have a long video script also, and then the others. So you can expand this if you want to see more of this. Okay, we have that. So let's just extend this for to cover all the other rows. So it comes here and it's loading, and it will generate for everyone. So as and when you add in a new topic, it is going to automatically solve that for you and generate whatever you want to work with. This is very, very simple. The next thing is to just copy this and post it on your blog. Okay, and your YouTube script is ready. Just get that, and it's quite simple. This is very, very simple. I have other videos on how to use Chatgpt in spreadsheet, especially for data analysis. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also share to others to be able to see this video, because Chatgpt is doing a lot. It's changing the way we work, and everyone must hear this good news. So thanks so much for your time. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.